Imagine a world where today's unsolvable problems could be solved with ease. Where complex calculations could be completed in a matter of seconds, unlocking the potential for unimaginable advancements. This world is within our reach, thanks to the power of quantum computing. Quantum computing is not just a buzzword, it is a scientific breakthrough that holds the key to revolutionizing our world. Traditional computers work in a binary system, using bits that can be either 0 or 1. Quantum computers, on the other hand, leverage the power of quantum bits, or qubits, which can exist in multiple states simultaneously. This ability to exist in multiple states at once allows quantum computers to solve problems that are impossible to tackle with classical computing. Complex optimization problems, like route optimization for transportation, can be efficiently solved using algorithms specifically designed for quantum computers. But quantum computing doesn't stop there. It has the potential to transform various industries, such as finance, healthcare, and materials science. Imagine predicting and modeling complex interactions between molecules, leading to the discovery of new drugs and treatments. Or analyzing vast amounts of financial data in seconds, enabling more accurate predictions and better investment strategies. The power of quantum computing lies not only in its ability to solve complex computational problems but also in its potential for exponential speed-up. Imagine simulations that currently take years to complete being done in a fraction of the time. This means we can tackle climate change, optimize energy distribution, and even uncover the mysteries of the universe more efficiently. This revolution, however, is not without challenges. Quantum computers are extremely fragile and require precise conditions to operate. Scientists around the world are working tirelessly to overcome these challenges and make quantum computing more accessible. The possibilities are endless, and the impact is world-changing. The era of quantum computing is upon us. It is a game-changer that has the potential to solve the unsolvable problems of today. As we continue to harness its power, we must remember that this is just the beginning. There is still so much to explore, discover, and create with quantum computing. Together, we can shape a future where the impossible becomes possible. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates on the world of quantum computing.